SHIBA INU has soared to another all-time high, setting its new record at $0.00006505 today, according to CoinMarketCap data. It is now the 11th largest cryptocurrency with a market cap of $24 billion.
Since last weekend, October 23rd, 2021, SHIB's price has been surging, and in the last 24 hours alone has surged over 32%. SHIBA INU set an all-time high on Sunday, October 24th at 4442 after surging 60%, making it the 13th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. It then went ahead to break that record and set a newer high at 4853 just days later. This has now moved it further up the ranks to become the 11th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. No doubt many millionaires have been made. The big question is there still potential to make even more millions with this coin, or is it all just one big hype? In this video, I'm going to go over SHIB's price action and how much investment it would take to make you the next SHIB millionaire. Shiba Inu is a token that aspires to be an Ethereum-based alternative to Dogecoin, the popular meme coin. Unlike Bitcoin, which is designed to be scarce, SHIB is intentionally abundant with a total supply of 1 quadrillion. In investing in cryptocurrency, you must be aware of the extreme volatility, and you must know whether you're able to handle it financially and emotionally. Crazy profits have and can be made just about as much as losses in this industry. Now, though this is not financial advice, I would strongly suggest not to plow all your life savings into the crypto market. Investing in the crypto market is considered a risky venture. Looking at today's heat map, October 27, 2021, the whole market is struggling, except Shiba Inu, which seems to want to continue its march upwards. So how much Shiba Inu do I need to make me a millionaire? Well, let's try to figure that out. I'll be basing this calculation on a base price of $0.000055. At the current price of Shiba Inu, $100 through $5,000 will get you 1.8 million worth of SHIB all the way through 91 million. For SHIB to get to 1 cent, price must 181x. So, if we multiply your investments by 181, then $5,600 worth of investment today will get you to your million. The alternative to that would be keeping your investment for a longer period of time in the hope that the price of SHIB goes even well beyond 1 cent. So, to recap, in order to make $1 million on SHIB at today's price of $0.000055, we need SHIB to make an increase of 181. This chart shows Shiba Inu's price action over the past 30 days. After months of consolidation all the way up to beginning of October, the explosive effect of SHIB's bull run really began to kick in. This bull run has taken us all the way up till today, the 27th of October 2021, with an all-time high of 6909. Now that is a 24-hour price change of 39.85%. So I'm going to use the Fibonacci extension tool to try to predict where Shiba Inu is trying to go. The monthly chart shows us clearly how its price action today has far exceeded the all-time highs set some 5-6 months ago in May of 2021. Now, moving to the daily chart, price action started barely a week ago on this current bull run. The Fibonacci extension tool gives us a clear roadmap of the various resistances above current price action it's been able to surmount. And right now it's playing around the 1.61 fib at the price level of 66.92. SHIB has to get past the next few resistances at 2.618, 3.618, and the 4.236 Fibonacci levels at the price levels as follows. Well, that's all, folks. I hope you've learned something from this video. And if you have, the only thing I ask is that you hit that like button, comment below, because I do use your comments to better inform me of what other content to create. Share with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, but most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And I'll meet you in the next video.